Research your keywords. How many times do you work with someone where you go, so what's your keyword? And they go, well, it will be my name. Okay, so your friends and family or people that have worked with you might search for you, but why would anyone else search for you? So what is your keyword? And often they've not researched it. Now there's so many tools out there. Google keyword, SEMrush. You can even go to Rank Math and start typing in a word and it's going to go and give you some suggestions. What you really want to do is try and find keywords that have a high search. So there's people out there actively looking for them. But you also want to look for words whereby there isn't too much competition as well. This can be very tricky depending on your area of interest, but what you're looking for is loads of people searching for it, but it's not completely absorbed or saturated by other people at the moment. Now, researching your keywords becomes massively important when you get to product pages. And I don't just mean tangible products. They could be virtual download, one-to-one consultations, anything like that. What you've got to try and do is make your keyword have some intent. So don't just say rucksacks as the keyword. It's too common and it's a little bit flat. You want to drive intent. You want to influence the buying decision. So how about purchase rucksacks or whatever is the rucksack product or name or particulars you also want to add in there. Order rucksack, rucksack shop, rucksack item, rucksack for sale. So think about keywords that have a high search volume, lower competition or medium. If you go for something that's highly searched and it's highly competitive and you're just starting off, it's going to take you a while to really get found in the search ranking tree. And when it's a product, think about mixing your keywords up with intent within the words.